Y'all, this is a 6-liter Max Cool Mist Humidifier. You put your water in here and then your essential oils, whatever you want to use. It has 3 different settings so you can go low, medium, or high. And it has this really pretty LED light at the bottom. It can go on sleep mode, you can set a timer, or you can hit it on Max Cool. Y'all, this is making my entire space smell so stinking good. I'm telling y'all, these are going quick and for good reason. This is literally such a sleek design too. It's slim so it can fit in any space. I'm gonna link it down below before it sells out.